guys, welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Praveen, and you guys know that we got a bunch of almost close to 500 videos which completely focus on your fitness, which means we cover up recipes, exercise routines, information, and that's the most integral part of your fitness. So you want to make sure that subscribe and hit that bell icon before we move on to the next recipes. It's time for almond tortillas. Let's go and have a look at the recipe now.
Hi guys, so today we are doing Keto Almond Tortillas. The ingredients for the same are, here we have blanched almond flour. Next we have xanthan gum, that's about 8 grams. Next we have is baking powder. It's going to be a teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of water, some digestive salts, and lastly 1 whole egg. First we take a mixing bowl. To that I'm going to add my almond flour. Next I'm going to add is my xanthan gum. The next dry ingredient is baking powder, and lastly some salt. Now I'm going to mix this well, and after I mix this well I'm going to add my second last ingredient, that's 1 whole egg, and mix it really well. So I'm using a spoon. You can also use a food processor if you want. And we have the perfect dough in no time. Lastly, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of water to the same. You can also use your fingers and do when it's the last bit. And our dough is pretty much done. Now you can use a parchment paper or a foil also, or a wrap. So I have a thin wrap. I'm going to just put it across it and keep it aside for 10 minutes for it to settle down. So our dough is here. You can grease your hands with some oil. Now I'm going to make 4 small balls. I believe we can get 4 small nice tortillas. So I have 2 thin plastic sheets. I'm going to make my one dough and put it in center. I'm going to overlap it with another sheet, and with a rolling pin roll it. And now, to get a proper tortilla, I'm going to use a cutter and cut it off. And here we go. So we have our first tortilla, what is ready. Now we're going to directly put it over a pan. So our keto tortillas are ready. They are super easy and super quick to make.
Alright guys, here it is, almond flour tortillas. As I said, we've got almond in this, we've got eggs in this, and of course with this great combination, it becomes one of the great source of protein. At the same time, egg has vitamin D in it, which means that it becomes a complete and a great meal option. And most importantly, this is amazing, this is really tasty. So, alright guys, go out there, enjoy these kind of amazing recipes. You want to make sure that check out the playlist, and to know more about how to transform yourself, please make sure that visit www.bodyprocoach.com. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Till the time, take care.